Welcome. Today I'd like to demonstrate my chainsaw, Stihl Mini Boss. I've been using this for a few years. Small projects, cutting down some trees and firewood, those kind of things. And it's come in handy over the years. It's been a good chainsaw. I cut a few things down a couple weeks ago, and it was real nice. Once I got it going, it hadn't run for a while. So I got this thing filled up with the fuel mixture and the bar oil. I'll go ahead, get this thing started, and I'll show you how it just cuts right through this old lumber. Right, go ahead and set this to choke. There. Okay. Starts right up. Come on now. I'm telling you, it's good. Start up right away, but good machine. Started up, didn't start. Whoops. I got this over there. There you are. A little difficult to start that time. A lot of times it starts right up, but not that time, wouldn't you know it. Anyway, hope you found the video interesting and entertaining. And till the next video, I'll see you the next time. And thank you very much for watching.